Who complain about Sun Ra? Who complain about Sun Ra? You complain about Sun Ra, you need to change your diet. Keep on eating all that dead flesh. That's low energy. You gotta eat things that give you high energy. Eat things that give you life. Eat things that grows from the sun. Fruits and vegetables. Things that'll give you H3O, fruit water. But you still gotta drink your H2O. Oh yeah, y'all see I got the new copper bottle. I had to get a more sporty look jump from when I'm outside in nature doing my little, activities. You know what I'm saying? Keep the other one for the crib, for dinner. This one is for outside. What's up, Reflection in the water? Talking to me. Yeah, so if you complain about the sun, change your diet. Eat more things that'll give you more energy and more life. You know what I'm saying? And also, it'll pass through your digestive system a whole lot quicker. Because if you're sitting on the toilet trying to shit and you just sitting there trying to take a shit, that means your body can't break down the bullshit that you put in there. Chump, man, I'm out. Tap in. It's my meditation spot right here. Time to tap in. Time to go within, man. Time to listen to self. Time to listen to higher self. Get these light colors. Let's get it. I'm in my favorite sun gazing spot. Sun Ra being the same spot every time, waiting on me, y'all. The clouds was covering things, but all I did was go like this. And look, we got Ra. Yeah, I done already sun gaze for the day, but there's never not enough that you can get. Meditation out the way. The third one for the day. 30-minute one on the last one. I always focus on these four things when I meditate. Sometimes it's all of them. Sometimes it's just none of them. Sometimes it might just be one of them. Sometimes it might be two of them. Sometimes it might be like three of them. But focus on breathing. I focus on whatever light that I see within. I focus on the power of imagination. And I focus on listening to self. Nature all around here, baby. Got my sun gaze on, meditate on. The only thing that I'm not gonna do on this side of the weather should be cutting off. I'm not gonna ground all this geese shit around here.